In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on eBay as a beginner. Shopping online can be a fun and exciting experience, and with eBay you can find almost anything you're looking for. So let's get started with a step-by-step guide to making your first purchase. First off, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create it by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure to keep your login details secure. Once you're logged in, you'll see the eBay homepage where the magic of online shopping begins. At the top of the page, you'll find a search bar. Just type in what you're searching for, let's say Nike running shoes size 9, and hit enter. This will display a list of items matching your search criteria. You might see a lot of options, so to refine your search results, use the filters on the left side of the page. Here, you can narrow down your choices by price range, item condition, whether new or used, location, free shipping options, and more. This will help you find exactly what you need quickly. Now, when it's time to buy, eBay provides three main options: buy it now, auction, and make offer. If you go for buy it now, you can purchase the item immediately at the listed price, which is perfect for beginners looking for a simple transaction. The auction option is where you place a bid, and the highest bidder wins the item once the auction ends, a bit like a digital marketplace. Lastly, make offer allows you to suggest a price you're willing to pay, giving the seller a chance to accept, decline, or counter your offer. Before you finalize your decision to buy, it's crucial to do some due diligence. Take a close look at the photos provided. You can zoom in to check the condition of the item. Read the description thoroughly. It contains important details that you may not want to overlook. Also, don't forget to check the seller's feedback score to ensure you're dealing with a reputable seller. Understanding the shipping time and cost is also important to avoid any surprises. Lastly, take a quick look at the return policy to know your options should the item not meet your expectations. Once you're ready to make a purchase, click the Buy It Now button for a direct buy, or Add to Cart if you wish to continue shopping and purchase more items at once. During checkout, make sure to confirm your shipping address so that your order is delivered to the right location. Select your preferred payment method, be it credit card, PayPal, or another option provided. Finally, click Confirm and Pay to complete your purchase. Congratulations! You've just made your first eBay purchase. With practice, online shopping will become second nature, and you'll discover a world of amazing deals and unique finds on eBay. Happy shopping!